Kanu finally agreed to meet lawyers before defending himself for court. Judge give one more chance. This na CenokMedia, the channel when they report the news and they make am simple for everybody to understand. We dey thank una winning the viewers. Abeg subscribe if you never do so. Put on your notification bell. It will remind you once we drop update. Like, comment and share the video. My people, tori wey land from Abuja don show say the matter between Nnamdi Kanu and federal government still dey hot. After some weeks of holding ground say he no go defend himself, the IPOB leader don finally agree to consult in lawyers before he continue a terrorism trial. Make we break am down well. E don take small when Nnamdi Kanu dey talk say the 7-count charge wey government bring against am not valid. He claims say the Terrorism Prevention and Prohibition Act wey dem use prosecute am don dey repealed, meaning say that law not even there again. Because of that, he been dey refuse to open in defense. But as the matter reach this week Wednesday for Federal High Court, Abuja, Justice James Omotosho talk again make Kanu reason with him lawyers before he go further for court. At first, Kanu no too wan hear that advice. He still maintain say the charge is not valid at all. But later, he calm down and talk say he go like meet with him legal team before the next sitting. He can't list the lawyers wey go work with am: Nnemeka Ejiofor, Aloy Ejimako, Maxwell Okpara, and Mandela Umwegborogo. Because of that small move, the judge can grant another adjournment till November 7, just one day away. Now the fourth time be this way court will give Kanu chance to either open in defense or waive am. If una remember, back for October, Kanu sack his own legal team wey Kanu Agabi SAN dey head before. He even talk say he go defend himself for court. At one point, he list 23 witnesses wey he plan call, including big names like Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu of Lagos and Minister Nyesom Wike of the Federal Capital Territory. But later, he changed mouth again, talk say no need to defend himself because the charge not get legal base. For Wednesday sitting, Kanu still repeat say no valid terrorism charge dey against am. Na in exact words be this: the Terrorism Prevention and Prohibition Act has been repealed. I cannot put up a defense under a repealed law. He talks say the prosecution even failed to amend the charge as Supreme Court don direct. The prosecution counsel Adegboyega Awomolo SAN no gree that talk. He beg court make them enforce their order, say Kanu suppose defend himself or waive the right. But Justice Omotosho still show patience. He talk say he go bend backward again for the sake of justice, make Kanu get time to meet lawyers wey sabi criminal law. Make we not forget, the prosecution don already closed their case since June 19, 2025, after dem call 5 witnesses. Then by September 26, court talk say valid case dey against Kanu. Since then, everybody don dey wait for Kanu to start his own defense. But every time, new reason go show. Either say documents not complete or e never ready. Now, this new adjournment go mean plenty. If by November 7, Kanu still not ready, court fit rule say he don waive him right to defend, and the case fit move go judgment straight. That one will be turning point for this long case wey don drag since 2021. Observers dey talk say this move to meet with lawyers fit mean say Kanu don decide to approach the case with small strategy, or he still dey use delay. Whichever way, the tension for this matter still high because e get political and security meaning, especially for Southeast region. Supporters of Kanu still talk say the whole case na political target, but government insists say na issue of national peace and law enforcement. As things dey go, the question now be, Kanu go finally face trial proper, or he go still hold ground say the law not valid. Justice Omotosho meanwhile dey try maintain balance, make fairness and patience still dey inside court matter. He talk say he no wan rush judgment, but he also no wan make case drag till eternity. So November 7 go tell Nigerians plenty things. E clear now say Nnamdi Kanu don reach one turning point for a long legal battle with federal government. This recent decision to consult in lawyers no be just small matter. E fit quietly change how the whole case go move from next week. Make we reason am well. Before now, Kanu don dey stand strong on top of one belief, say the law wey dem take charge am don already repeal. E hold dat point like shield. But now, by agreeing to meet with im legal advisers, e show say maybe e wan check im stance again, or at least plan new legal strategy. Dat one fit mean two things. Either e don realize say going solo no go help am, or e wan use dis legal consultation to gather stronger argument wey go shake the case when e finally open defense. Remember say Justice Omotosho don give Kanu several chances before dis one. 4 adjournments no be beans. If na any other case, the judge fit don declare am closed, but the court still dey bend backward as the judge talk, just to make sure say fairness dey. Dat kind patience show say the judiciary dey careful, make nobody later talk say Kanu no get fair hearing. Meanwhile, dis move get political undertone too. Each time dis case trend, e dey stir conversation for Southeast. Some people see Kanu as symbol of justice, others as person wey challenge the state. So the court dey work on thin ice. Every decision fit send signal go different corners of the country. Another key angle be say dis new consultation go also test the strength of Kanu new legal team. The lawyers wey e list, Ejiofor, Ejimakor, Okpara, and Umegborogo, all get history with human rights and political cases. If dem fit align properly before November 7 sitting, e fit change the direction of the trial completely. But if confusion still dey inside dat camp, the case go just continue to drag. At the end of the day, dis new turn not just about law, na about strategy, patience, and control. Kanu decision to finally talk with im lawyers fit be small step, but e big pass wetin e look like. Because for court, matter like dis, one small shift fit reset the whole story. The real gist for dis Kanu matter not even be say e gree meet im lawyers, na the judge patience wey shock people pass. Justice Omotosho don bend backward 4 times now, just to make sure say fairness no miss road. For many Nigerians, e don turn test of how far our courts fit go to protect due process, even when tension dey high. Some legal watchers dey talk say dis kind patience dey good for democracy, but e also dey stretch the system. Because if every big case drag like dis, justice fit begin lose weight. So as November 7 dey near, no be only Kanu trial we dey watch, na how Nigerian courts dey handle power, pressure, and principle. So all eyes dey on Abuja dis weekend, as Nigerians wait to see whether dis consultation go bring real defense or na just another pause before the same old argument go start again.